Question 1. A teacher came to the student's classroom. On the board it was written, how many times is the number 6 written here? 66666, 66666, 66666. Answer within 10 seconds. Answer 16, because in the first line of question there is 1 6 plus 15 6 equals 16. Question 2. There were 10 birds on a tree. 100 shot birds in a tree. One bird flew down. Now, how many birds are left on the tree? Answer within 10 seconds. Answer: none, because all of them flew away due to noise. Question 3. Another bird catcher came to the foot of the tree with a gun. There were 5 birds in the tree branches. When he shot a bird, it died. So how many birds will be sitting on that tree? Answer within 10 seconds. Answer: 1, because it was dead on the tree. The other birds flew away.